Let's start now with our exam with our lesson 3 mathematical language, and in this chapter lesson 3 po ito under the chapter 1. So at the end of this section, students are expected to recognize and interpret the common math symbol, interpret the sentences rendered in math language, write in math symbols English sentences that have a math content, identify the fundamental components of a math sentence. So in this topic po, we will have a mathematical interpretation and recognition, and we need to write up the different mathematical structure or symbols po ba or mga variables yan or expression po. So the common math symbol, we have the addition and subtraction. So this is very common in your elementary days. No, sometimes the addition or subtraction, it will have a symbol of positive or negative. Now sometimes context is needed to interpret this sign, and this is the example for the negative and positive. Negative 3 negative 3 degrees Celsius means temperature is 3 degrees Celsius below freezing, no? That is negative. And pag meron namang addition, no? So, example lang, x is equal to 65 plus or minus 3, which means the average is 65 points plus or minus 3 points. And that is the example, the common math symbol. And another one, we have the multiplication and division, no? And it will have a symbol of that for multiplication, or parang slant line or over for the division. When no notation is written between the characters, the assumed operation is multiplication. For example, for this, 5 times y or 5y or is equal to 5y, no? And another one, 99 divided by 3 or 99 over 3, no? So that is the symbol for the division. And we have the common math symbol for the equal sign, no, equality sign. Ito po, equal. And for the not equal naman, no, not equal to, or mayroong slant line. And approximately equal to, okay, approximately, so it means pag mayroong decimal point, no. If you are not sure in the given answer po, pwede kang maglagay ng approximately na symbol. Okay, and the congruent and not congruent or equivalent, mostly ginagamit po siya for the geometry, no? For example, triangle ABC is congruent to triangles DEF. Yan. Less than or equal to, ito po, less than, pa-right yung kain niya, no? Yung open niya, no? And greater than, pa-right yung open ng less than, and for the greater than naman, pa-right yung open, no? Or equal, no? So, meron siyang equal. Less than, no? Greater than, no? For example, for this one, no? X is greater than 5, but X is less than 11. So, yung tanong ko dito, what are those number that X is greater than 5 and but less than 11? Ano po yung sagot nyo dito? Okay, so, yes, isa man to siya. Wala, no? So, yung number po dito, no, x is greater than 5 and x is less than 11 is uh, greater than 11 man, no? So, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, no? But less than 11. Yan. And for the symbol naman, X, Y, Z, etc. Pag small, no? English, small letter or naka lowercase, no? English alphabet in lowercase used to represent the variables. Although capital letter will also do, no? And the example for the physics naman class, no? Pag P, that is representing the pressure. Pag V, volume. And T naman, temperature, no? Pag P, yan, pressure. 'Di ba yung iba is V is volts or sa ba kaning volts, ano pa yung iba yung kalimot ko. Daghan-daghan og kanang ano, velocity, no yan. And T naman time, no, temperature. So that is the meaning, no. And using this lowercase po. And for the subscripted no variables, t sub 1, t sub 1 and t sub 2, etc. No, 'di ba? Mostly ginagamit 'yan natin, 'di ba? 'Di ba sinasabi natin dito na y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 2 minus x sub 1. No? So that is the subscripted variables. No? Meron pong indicated na number, smallest number po sa kanyang baba. No? The lower part. And yung ito naman, yung Greek alphabet, no? Extensively used in math. Alpha, no? For ito, no? Indicated by A and B, no? Parang may buntot, no? Is beta yan, no? Gamma and theta naman are used to represent the angles. Okay? For the pi, no, that is irrational number, no? Yung meaning diyan, meron siyang 3.1415 na value, no? For the E naman, that is sigma or summation. For this naman, parang U, no? That is mu. Mu population mean, no? Mostly ginagamit po ito for the stat, no? And ito naman sigma variance, no? Variance, sigma squared, no? That is variance and sigma that is standard deviation. Mostly ginagamit yan sa stat. And ito naman mga square root of x and root of square root of x means that non-negative number whose square is equal to x, no? So bawal pong non-negative number po dito for the square root, no? Mag-error po 'yan, no? And nth root naman, no? Is read as the nth root of x, no? For ito. Merong mga cube root, no? For this naman, NZQR, mostly ginagamit po yung capital letter for naming, ano, for title, number sets, namely the set of counting numbers, integers, rational number, and real numbers respectively. Sa ginagamit natin yan, no? For naming. For example lang, for naming the set, no? Set A, having an element of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No? That is the symbol, no? For the big letter po. For naming yan, ha? Okay, and we have the common math symbols naman. Higher math po ito. For the calculus, meron po tayong delta x over delta y over delta x. No? Means that is the rate of change. No? Delta x divided by delta y means the ratio of the change in y to the change in x. This is called the rate of change or slope of a line in basic math. No? Basic po ito no sa mga major in math. O kayo mga math injured, so difficult na ito sa inyo, no? Math injured. Okay, ito naman no, the dy, no. Itong d, it means derivative yan, no? Derivative of y and derivative of x. Or these two symbols are found in calculus, no. Mostly makikita yan sa calculus class. No, if you are a STEM student, no, STE student, no, mga higher math, no, advanced math. The dy over dx is associated with the concept of rate of change. So with and the f prime x no, indicates the derivative of a function with respect to x in rectilinear motion and derivative of a moving object with respect to time and is called the velocity. Another one, no, the second derivative, meron pong indicated na exponent doon sa kanyang derivative and doon sa kanyang x, no, with respect to x. This is the second derivative of a function with respect to x in rectilinear motion, no, if y is equal to fx is the distance of a moving object as a function of time. No. The second derivative pertains to the acceleration of moving body. So that is connected to the physics na no or in the science no. And pag ganito yung symbol po, no, ganyan, that is line, no? Dalawang arrowhead, no? Line. Line AB is perpendicular to line CD. Yan. That is the meaning, no? Pag ganito naman, merong parang dalawang line, no? Parallel. Line AB parallel to line CD. Pag angle naman, ito yung pag-name ng angle, pwedeng tatlong letter, no? Angle ABC or angle B. Pwede rin measure angle B. Angle ABC, angle B, the vertex of these angles is B. Yung vertex, yung open arrow, yung dalawang ray, no? Sin theta and cos alpha. Okay, for the trigonometry, no? Sin theta, cosine alpha. Oh, yan. So these symbols representing the angle appear in trigonometry, and the other trigonometric functions are tan, theta, or cot y. Cotangent yan, no? Etc. Meron po tayong six trigonometry, no? So, so we don't need to study that one, okay? Because we are just focusing in the math symbol. And pag meron tayong makikitang sin x, sin h, no? That is hyperbolic sine of x. Or tan hx, that is hyperbolic tangent of x. So we are dealing the angle, no, of the hyperbolic geometry. Hyperbolic polygons, no? Yan. Pag antiderivative naman class, no, merong derivative, meron pong antiderivative, no? Pag engineering na po ito, no? So don't worry ha, dili man mo mga math major, no, math injured man mo. So yan, balik-balik ko yun, math injured, no? It is the antiderivative of function x, also the integral of fx with respect to x. And this symbol appear in integral calculus, which indicate the reverse operation of getting the derivative. Even in the grade 11 STEM student, no, na-discuss na po ito sa kanila. Sa kanilang pre-calculus. Meron din silang basic calculus or pre-calculus to. No? And meron po tayong limit, no? Interval of two ordered pair or one ordered pair, no? The integral of 2x dx in the interval of 2 and 5. And this can also be interpreted as the area of the plane region bounded by the line y is equal to 2x in the interval of 2 and 5. Asa man na, sir? Ay, dibuga na, sir. Ay, okay, yan. No? And we have the mathematical expression and the mathematical sentence. No? So we're going to differentiate this one, no. Pag sinasabing pong expression po class, no, it means it representing the symbol, no. Iba rin yung equation, no. Basta equation, mathematical equation, that is an expression that involves equal sign, no, or yun, equal sign, equality. Pag mathematical expression, mostly po dito class, it involves numbers, it involves variables, and it involves operations. No? A collection of characters and symbols that represent the mathematical object, operation, and relation among them. For example, pag ganito yung, example lang ha, x squared plus 2x plus 1, that is mathematical expression. Expression lang, no? You are representing the variable, the number, and operation. Nagets po, students? Nagets? Wala. Kung wala nagets, ambot lang. No? Yan. Pag equation test, meron na yung equal. No? Example lang, x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. That is equation. No? Yan. Pag may equal. Meron ding mathematical inequalities. No? Pag inequalities, it involves greater than or equal, less than or equal. That is inequalities. No? And the mathematical sentence naman, that is an expression that can be declared either true or false. Yan. Pwede maging true, pwede maging false. No? Should be stated, no? Dapat naka-state, no? So that it allows the reader to declare if it is true or not. Bawal yung kulang, no? Basta mathematical sentence. Dapat clear and it will be stated po, no? Para masabtan sa mga reader na true or false, true or not, yan. If it is possible to do so, then the expression is only an expression but not a sentence. So, so let's try, ayun, another one, no? There are two types of mathematical sentence. Una, yung closed sentence and open sentence. Pag sinasabing closed sentence, that is a sentence that is already known to be true or false. Pag open naman, tas sentence either true or false depending on the value or values of variables in the sentence. And let's try to answer this one. No? Let's try to answer sentence or not po ba, no? Ito, line segment AB is parallel to the line segment CD. So as you can see, if you're going to analyze the mathematical sentence, parang wala nang kulang. No, swak na swak na yan. No? That is sentence. So letter B naman, measure angle ADC is equal to 60 degrees. Meron bang kulang? Wala. No? So, ma-true or false man na siya, class, no? That is a sentence. Mathematical sentence. Ito, C. Sine of pi, no? Sine of pi is equal to 1. Walang kulang, no? Walang labis, walang kulang. That is sentence. Yan naman yung isa, no? D over dx sine x is equal to cos x. Derivative of sine of x with respect to x is equal to cosine of x. That is sentence. Yung isa class, no, na kulang. Dapat meron niyang kasama. No, hyperbolic tangent of alpha, no, dapat meron niyang kasama. That is not a sentence. Okay? Yan yung sagot dyan. So let's try to answer this one now from English to mathematics now. The cube root of 4 is not an integer. How will you write that one? So, ano yung pagsulat na. So, ganyan po yung exam natin, no? Meron po tayong mathematical sentence, i-convert ninyo into expression or equation. No, sige, let's try to wait, wait lang. Let's try to write, no? Kasi kasali yan sa objective natin, no, na magsulat tayo. So, how will we write this one? Pag ganito, the cube root of 4 is not an integer. Okay, ganun yan lang po ito, no? The cube root of 4, so sulat ka ng square root, no? Yan. Cube root man, cube. 3. The cube root of 4 is not an element. Not an element of integer. So, integer is denoted by z. Yan, ganyan pagkasulat. No? Line CD is perpendicular to line D. Very simple. No? Sulat ka ng line. Line CD is perpendicular. Perpendicular line to line DE. Hmm. Very simple. And the antiderivative naman, class, no? Ito yung antiderivative na symbol, parang S, no? Antiderivative of x squared with respect to dx, with respect to x, 1/3 x squared, x cube pala, x cube plus constant, no? Constant representing letter C. No? 75% of 200 is 150. So, 75%, pwede na, ganito, class, no? 75 over 100 times 200 is equal to 150. No? No? Pwede rin 0.75 times 200. Nako, yan nyo lang yung pangit kong sulat. Mouse yung gamit ko dito, no? 150. Pag interval, pwede rin ganito, yung interval. X is in the closed interval of 20 and 30. Closed man, so pwede ganito, class, no? X is an element of closed interval 20 and 30. Pwede rin ganito, X is greater than 20 but X is less than 30. So there's so many ways now to kill a cat. Bawal na siya. So there's so many ways to answer that one, no? Yung sentence. Pero sujud pat yun ang pato. Yan. Yan yung mga sagot dyan. And take note, the another symbol naman, class, no? Uh, ito, symbol, pag inverted A, no, for every, all, or every naman, no, um, that is universal, no, representing the universal. Kasi sinasabi dyan, no, na for every, all, every, that is universal. Pag parang baliktad na letter E, no, or exclamation point, there is exactly one, there is one and only one. Sana all, only one. There is one, exactly one. No? Pagbaliktad na V class, that is and. No? Take note ha, baka lalabas yan sa exam nyo. Okay, yan. And. No? Pag ganitong V is either or. Pwede gumagamit ng either or. P to Q, ito po class, no? Arrowhead, no? Parang nakaray siya. P to Q, that is if P then Q. If P then Q. If then statement, no? And ito naman, ito na symbol, that is if P if and only if, no? If and only if po yan. If and only if Q. P if and only if Q. Yan. And that would be all, no, for the mathematical variables po.